adofo no uba so no ahye ye be share bibi kakra bi be just a few minutes pese me kai won nsam yenu me nsa bi se me de me kasa ya na me ko family mu aware 43 so aho me ko family mu na me yie pia monten erade da wase wie yi mayenti ase adom nti amen pa adofo no me kire wo enema miensa ensam miensa bia yetumi kan ema ne di oyo nani oseye eba ya brabo so ensam sansam miensa no enhia manipa enhia ma warefo enhia ma abusua enhia ma obia saasem no na me pese me ne wo share saa words no so etimi ma wo ye ohiani etimi ma wo ho kyerew etimi ma wo bobra wo nkowanim because you declare a stage enti number 1 hope. I hope yataka titru wa Christopher yataka hope so ahu se ubeka hope a me pese me ma woti ase se hope enye strategy. Okay, hope nya word ya say wo can say you hope. Say you hope, it means you have not prepared yourself for what is coming. So I can do it, or I hope I can do it. And it's a woody was our word na na say wo betumi aye. But say wo koye say I'm hoping for future. What are you planning for the future? And you are hoping for that. E di adwuma na wo ye preparing towards the future. So wo can hope ye that na hope nso ade a mani da so wani ade be so ansa na wani beda bibi so no na waboaboa wo ho. Okay, ansa na nipa bia wani beda bibi so no mani da so se bra no be ware me na so wanware wo so se bra na anware wo my ready bra na ye ready so opeso wo ware me na woni me bobra na kire se guarantee ba mani da so na sawudi wani kotoso na anye yesu na wo ho akire wo. And is this kind of word hope no ebetimi ama wabrabo ayebasa ebetimi ama na hia ho because obi a wo hope for bibi bia no na so anye ho adwuma it doesn't come on the silver platter. Enti be pese wo ti ase se mani daso no bibi a wani daso bia wo ye ho adwuma. So I hope I can do it. I hope I can let it come to pass. I hope I can bring it. I hope I can go for it. Then it means you are ready, you are eager, you are working towards that particular hope you have. When you try to say, I hope, no, I hope, no, you give away your power. Certain be a hope, you giving away your power. But idea na wo ye, I am doing it. Okay? I am doing it. Can you turn the phone off? I am doing it. Extra say. When it does one wo ye ho adwuma. But obi ti make say I'm hoping or trying or hope. That was idea a kidnap abibifo. Ye be wiase na ye beto say na nanu my mistake na mrofi beto ye ni ade no. We were hoping. And I no me share a article bi na krobi sofo they were hoping say King Philip ebe free England aba wo mo krom ono na ye wo ma je nkwa sa na wo na aka kire wo mo enti wo mo wo King Philip photo a wo mo hwe ne da bia so wo mo nyankopon no said ye actor ekofa edi Yesu dura nanim say wo ye Yesu a what the Yesu picture enenam ono ni senior wo charge ni sika o enso na yanim sese enye the right picture na ye hwe ekosi say duru ba bia wono ankasa be confess say enye the right picture so enti we were hoping for that guy to come and deliver us, not knowing say he wasn't the one. It was a wrong picture, a wrong hope na ye hope. So enti me pese me ma obi ati ase se onyankopon no a wo yo yen a wode e ba asase so no onyankopon no wo ye yen just so wo ye yen en wo home nkwa home igu ye no de ni hu ewura ye mu enti onyame hope say wo no benya salvation. No, that is not the plan of man. The plan of God say no hope say wo benya we salvation. No, onyankopon nim say esese wutimi nya salvation. So in the eyes of God, God don't put hope on you, but he put was stabilizing say wo you should have a salvation because wabon say in saso dia woni mu no ebi wo mu enti Yesu kan wo se me ko na de ma nyempo no mo betimi aye if you say onim se wadua ne ho e wo ye mu enti ebe fifi ni nyina bow down to your brabo your life the way si hwe ye niam city ye niam asisifa eno na kire yen the kind of people ye be ye so ho enti so who use the word hope now use to nebisa say why am I using this? Is it for positive or not or negative? It's very, very important to know it. If you don't know it, you're gonna be in trouble. So your power will be taken away from you the moment you began to use the word hope. When it that person na when it does so hope. I hope. And hope no so we use hope na would ja to me mo to ho. So Paul said we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. So it means if you can do all things there, you have the power of can do. Who can do power no ewo mu. So I say, ain't you don't hope to can do it. No, you don't hope to do it, but you can do it. Me pese me ma woti ase say these are the kind of things be a bother yen. So wahu. Se wo yes wo hope a na che say why den wontimi nya action no because we need to me bia obetumi dia take any action of your life. But life is about you. Said the obesia hu asiafa, said the obesia te hu asiafa, said the obesia te asiese onyame abọ me de tumi bi ewura me mu enti sa tumi na wo me mu no metumi aye bibi biara awurade pese me ye na onyame abasen ni mu na waboa wo owo mu dada mpo yankasa afi na obeba owo mu dada a wo boa yen so te ase na nam se woni atumi bi so nti no Emma wuntimi nsore. So who do any kotu bibi so a? Emma wunya choice to make a decision. Because who do any atoso? But so what you say, Nyankopon tumi wo me mo metumi aye bibi biara, Ewrade ehye me se menya. Apart from bone, nyame betumi aye bibia, de nyame ntimi nya eye bone, eno nko a, ene nyame ntimi nya. Adie bia ye boni bia nyame ntimi nye eno pa ho a adepa bia wasase wesu bia no Nyankopon waye awie enti bibia no obetumi aye. Enti I want you to know say the moment you began to put your trust on hope, then you have no choice again. So you have no control again. We need control bia emma life emma bibia wo ye bia because when it will be so. And one say, a big bremo fortune to move for Ghana for me, say, dear, na woye, a dear Ben, a woye, ye dear near to Nipaso, ye dear near to Brofoso, ye dear near to Mrofoso, a dear near to Mrofoso, none of them eat him, a yibia, Omoyana, him fear, a Mrofina, a UK, my meaning and ma, a coye. Now, dear be a metia, or honor, me real hope, as some as I tell you, a kind of say, Muja, ye honor. Moka sa mo baba boy so ma boy yen nti enyema bebre yen tumi anye na I was shocked to hear Asantehene using that word. Na me say enti samre nyina ye nana no mote ho wo mani deda so say Ken Philip no mo be ye bibia ma na Ken Philip so wawu just a few days ago. So hwese wo hene mu atimi ayusu sa word no. And so they were hoping. And so ebewura yanso yemu enchirema mu when we were also hoping say ye delivers any samrofo no baba boyen enti ama binum kura ni ti ye no mo fi say nyame kura ni ho because ye hope on nipa. Na de hope on woman so woman wejayen. Papa you wejayen na no ya. Enti na chese ye need as wasana. I want you to know establish some things in you. Say you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Your hope is not on anything on this earth. When it does war, any BBM. The moment I would do a need that war ever to be sono. Now I then what lose control. I want to be in control. It means your power is gone. But I want you to know, sir, you have can do power within you. You were created by it. You were born by it. God is always working within you because you have that power. Okay? And you know, you don't hope in anything. So you cannot make a decision when you keep on hoping. You cannot make a decision. Thank you, brother. God bless you. You can never make a decision when you keep on hoping. Okay? As the moment you keep on hoping, you cannot make decisions. It means your decision has been cut off. Your plans has been cut off because when it does so, adofo enye niam nyina na ede ani ato so ayensa o kie babro tiran kie kurom de daada o ye de ni toto niam bi so meye wei obi se mfie nu meko bi kurom meye sei mfie nu no be so no ground zero because na ni da so say ebeduru ho no watimi aye enti me ka kire wo say number 1 hope, the word hope emfanya asem enka na emom no no, sir, I can do it. I hope I can do it. I hope I can finish it. I hope I can do it. Yes, hope. Now what train? Ghana for mon sorry why? Mommy and sorry the atnasiache. And you say we were hoping, sir, God I'm safe for be jai. Na yen shio na ye kama. Any kwan say so de ni twi abako sig the otu galam say so ko bono ansan we jai. The Galamsey guys should know, say, Messiah dear, and I need to stop. So you don't hope, say, future, they will stop. No. It's your say. So what you say. Number 2, the second word, I can't. Can't. Na me baba akuko school. Yeah, man, work if I can't. Obey if papa say, huh? You can't? You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. And you can't here. I don't want to hear that kind of word. Why can't you? Why can't you? Anna, you started saying encourage akolano. E yi sa word in every nenum. And son what to me university. So what I say. She knew say he can't intend. He was not forcing himself to do what he can do. I just want to encourage you this afternoon, say. You can do all things. Can. You can. The moment you work say can't. No, I can't. HSL. You've been stopped working. You've taken yourself out from good things. You've taken yourself out from production. You can't. You don't have to leave to say you can't. You can do. You have the can do power within you. Okay? Just say to yourself, I can do, I can, I do, I don't, I can't. Yeah, I can, I can do it. I can do what? What can you do? What can you do? You can do it. I can do it. Yes, I can do it. Yeah, I can't. I can do it. I can finish it. I can finish the race. I shall for be by one they finish the race. So I say, I shall for be by ya one corner. They fight a good fight and finish the race. What are you doing? And your bravo way so the sa wesi edi wanimu a wo be yo hiani. You will lack so many things. You lack even knowledge. And can say, I can't. Yeah, mean to me, oh. No. Me to me, I no. Oh, so one thing. So, bet to me, I entino. Bet to me, I sorry. Entino. Ube nya boa for king. Because all you ready, so obey ya. One kasa nyame be bie wani am wo huboafo obi obetumi aso mu na watumi aye enti nipa bebre obetumi ka say I can't I can't again, I cannot do it, I can't take it again. Brothers and sisters, baby obeko bia ya sa o, wherever you go is the same thing at the comment. So I say ma me de ma bre me timi cancel obi na warrior ayesoro ha na ye cancel ma me de ma bre me de I can't take it no more. You can't take it. One ebefa one de obefa. Brothers and sisters, awade na wote ho no, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. So you should be able to do it. You can finish it. You can finish the race. Eden papa na meka asema wonte ase meka asema na ye ntokwa de meye bia na ni nso. Sister, brother, that is not the issue. Ye betumi aye ni yie. We can fix it. Show and na no na me ye na meka asem. Brothers and sisters, na me ba brochire me di bibia me fom nkokọ na me ye we na be do kura no na me di enia ma bi franti me free say na me ye ni yie say na me ha no me ho. Enti mitrewi nyina be sign afa na che say me ni padua no kura no me hu say me bo abrewa amnamo no na me say come on. Me call school ache, me free school mu ache. Mani afi, me twa me fie aduesia. Me come nim. Me free school mu ache. Enti mitumi nsua de. Me hwedi na me one day na me free me kunam say papa fra yi Yanko internet register a course we mama me pesa me course we ya wo register mama me kuso me ye no biti ya metumi aye adofo no bibia ni wa wontumi nye na me feel say madwene na keki because sister yes they are friend because school kra eno nyina ye waste of time, but I make a decision to go. I make a decision to write the test. I make a decision to do the course. Many people me hoso no na course no ho abamfaso amma me ne mabusua eni adofo ne ni pebetie me ne e wo wiase nyina ma nkosa school no a enka betiri na ebubu na ye ne hwea enye yi. Brothers and sisters, enwi no na ye ne hwea enye yo enne school natural eneguso okomi timeline e wo ho so ahu say me yes I can't enka ebi asa me nka I don't know where I will be. Say I can't because then I make a decision I can't, so I cannot venture, I cannot try. Brothers and sisters, yariaba a pandemic yaba enyema bebre koso e wa asetena mu ni abrabom, but ubetumi aye bibi bibia obintumi nya if say yesu wani da so wo mu say he left all the good things in you. Now can say you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you, and God is there to strengthen you to do what you want to do. And therefore there are so many revelation, vision in you, dreams. And are you able to fulfill your destiny? What's your dream, Nasiana? Brothers and sisters, you bet to me, yo. Be anywhere, person we are winning yet. And until you should never ever use this word, I can't. No. You should never use that word. You can do it. You can do it. Swan. You can do it. And I word they told me and say, try. So the word try, you don't try things, you do it. I want to encourage you, so you don't try life. You don't try medication. You don't try. And try bibia. Adie bia ye try bia no enya de papa. So ti ase metumi aye. So what can say I will try it and I just why make a decision to do it? Not try. No. And yet try sir. And if I be a 2 coin aquantum, yeah, I will try sir. Life I ever sir. So it's not, life is not about trying, it's about how you can do it. Life is not about trying. brothers and sisters, I want to encourage somebody. Say abrabona ye bono enye de wo try asemo niamom de wo ye. So what I say, I will try to do it. I will try to finish it. Me bo me homodin na mawie. Me bo me homodin na maye. Me bo me homodin na aye yie na nyame ani mo nyama dadi. The moment I obey you so, you obey you so. Obey you so say you give obey you so say try no. When you say you try, then you set yourself failure. You can do it. So okay, so obey try ya. Not just what set yourself already down, failure. What about if you try and you can't do it because you have already said to your spirit you are trying it, so any guarantee. But dear be a way beyond say a guarantee the our brothers and sisters and idea will try a idea woye. You will guarantee words to be or what any power here says okay be my home. They will see ye. So the word try can set you back. The word try can set you down. The word try can destroy you. The word try can make you fail. The word try. Intimisra brana yebono. Men try bibia. Sit down, plan, and go do it. It shall surely come to pass. At the full be home say, at the end we are anya no krano. I yet be before frost one will be. Adiana woko ye no anya de wo ye nkwan no anya de enso wo besu di ana otafre nensa. So you don't try life. I want to encourage you, say you do not have to try life. So the moment you try, you set yourself to try. Try, the word try doesn't exist. It shouldn't exist in your life. Don't try anything, do it. The word try does not exist anyhow. May try, a dear in our try, it doesn't exist. But may koye. And tia mani pa bebre tu kwan no, and so ade wura nyame di wura ye mo no sisters. Hwe wo Ghana, wo kotogo kofa niama, wo ko Nigeria kofa niama ton, wo ye wei, wo na wo ye wei, na wo ye we ni nyina so na ma wo ska o ekosi se wo tu kwan. Wo beduru ye no, wo wura factory mo no ano no, wan try bibia, wan kwa ye bibia biem. You tried the factory and the factory was okay for you, so you think you are fine. Your vision is trapped in you, and therefore you must work hard to pull out whatever is trapped in you to bring it out. Then Yankopon ni mo nyam na di. Then nyame hunu said you wodi dua wo ma oba asase so no aso aba. Yankopon hwehwe ya ba so o. Me said ye nyame di wura wo mo no se wantumi amana anso aba. Heaven na ye kɔ no wo nkɔ bi. You disappoint God. People who try life always disappoint God. So who try life, you disappoint your family, you disappoint your children, your marriage will be disappointed. And tinipa bebre, woman marriage, I disappointed because they keep on trying things in the marriage. Me try we yashe, and ya personal, your body cry, you try and niema. Enti ya say body no. Look at the food you try to put it inside. Wo try obi aduane a enye waduane, o pese wo try na wodie. Enti wo try no e the garbage about system mo. Ama wo yare, ama wo eniema yare ahodo bebre. So I want to encourage you, there is no try life in this earth. Try means nothing. It means nothing. But full stop. Full stop. Try means nothing happen. Try means nothing. Try. Actually, I say bibi ntimi nsi. So we try there say na bibi ntimi nsi because we try. So your effort is not in it. Won't put to know any effort because you are trying everything. But so who put to effort, obey fine, brothers and sisters. More mobetimi upgrading my education, upgrade. Wa opesa wo koye bibi kakra na wo de eso wasene na wo de pe wa wadwuma bi ye no upgrade. So won ntimi upgrade so a ye bibi and the pandemic aba ye courses nyina wo fie e wo online you can do it. Wo wura betumi aboa wo papa brother wo so betumi aye wo yire betumi aboa wo adoma chede hihye ye mu nanso ye ntimi mfam pie. So what if a pandemic here adofonom ubetumi aye course. You can do course, you can do something, upgrade your mind. Do so many things you can do. Ubetumi upgrade your mind. Me say a pandemic iba aye nshira dia mame. Aye nshira dia mame because adia na me feel say ntimi nya no na matimi aye. Me to odi na me say I need to do this course. I need to feed my memory. Because the more you learn, the more you feed your memory. So when share dia wadwene no ebeda. Enti niema pa nyame dia wura wo no, you can never finish it. So when feed, so when share dia nso a tebia no why downtrodden. I want to encourage you, brothers and sisters. The moment wo be bo homode se obetumi aye no wo be se nyame no oboa na wo ye ne saa na wo ye ko wo betumi aye akọ enti abrabo ene wara wo bo emfa Kristo somo nkata wani na ntena se na wontimi nya hwe. That is wrong also. Nipa bebre de Kristo somo kata wo mani bra pa esese wo kono wo kobo no odi agoro. Wono ankasa ntokura brothers and sisters hwe me pese me ma wasuma sembi hwe heaven no ayaka ho asama kankan no ade bia ye bo ho dewro no brother sister ade wo mu no se wantimi anya de nyame de ade hye wo mu no se wantimi anya ai wo wie yase a heaven no wanhwa wo nkobi o nkobi na chese wo ye zero so tiase enipa bi wo tie meni a bibi e wo wo no ebetumi ahwe thousands of people but you are sitting down, you are sitting on your bomb. What if I you don't care now? What you ye niema ye de obetumi aye bia na hye nyankopon ni munyam emeduaba e wo wo no enye waste eni kwasa duaba e wo wo no eye waste enipa bi wo tie mi a bibi wo mu adwuma bi wo asase wo ye emanim thousands of people bi millions of people bi wo mu nya asomdwe wo mu nya ahoto enso sa adwuma no e wo mu enso wote ho wo de apple seed no ahye wo mu e na wote ho ye de ahye wo mu enso wote ho me se wo daachi ni wanim ehye wo mu wo daachi ehye wo mu de bia me pese me be kai adofo se wo daachi no a eno nti wo tu kwan betena brochire e beti kokonua no enye wo bi adwuma na wo ye bia no nti na wo ba ye o wo daachi bia nyame pese wo enlighten ma baby aye frere de ani ato brofo so se de ani ato ya nanam de wo mani ato brofo so na wo mo hope dia ye no ye di wo machi a ye be ka achi ene nyame boa ye se ne mo nkọ na mo fokro na mo de mani ato wo so mo nkọ na mo kọ no wo mo nkọ tena na ne mo kọ sunyom so man ye ba e de ne ye sua de ne ye mo bebre wo abrochire ha ye millionaires ye managers ye administrators ye good people ania me papa bi wo ye mu a ye betumi de aboa nipa enso ye te ho obi ti krom ha say wo ye future Ghana president ya obe ono na obe kwa akọboa magalam se ni niam basa yi nyina enso sa nipa no ni adaye so no ade na obo ne yemu dawuro enso wonte ye woni pa bi wo a eba bi a wafiri wo yemu pia onyame betumi amfa ne so de ade na je Ghana enso wo ba e no wo try life nti no you never even encourage your children to know say nya ha ne yefire ye kurom nie na wo kura no wo betumi abamfa so ma me kurom. We don't teach our children like that. Enkwala no ha ne wo mo fire ne ama wo mani age say ha ne wo mo fire. Brothers and sisters o hini bi beba abeka kire wo say wo no manyina mo mpake mo ne ama na mo nko na ho na wo behunu enso wan kire wo ma no say Ejapade anyame di dua wo mo no wo mo betumi wo mo ho betumi abanfa so wo mpo wo bie ye wo mo ne ani wo mo ani wukuro mo no enti no enkola na adwene nyina ye wo mo so mo te ya obi a wo ne benya 18 years wan finance Ghana da eye bone kase wo sin achi nya wo da me nuanom ehwa na ye tafre not a single day na kasa akire me mrantie na me Ghana asam ese me ma wo hu se ikro no eye eho na efire enye kora ho na efire da chi nyame can use you to build a nation so ti ase because of say you too kwan no ye ba ye no try and a hoping obiti he wo hope say broni bi ebe chel ebe no we be ma no into what ha no was sa broni no hu awu agya wo hope tama wo ma di kan tutu kwan ba boga fo no na yesi bi no hwe mere wa wo no dey well amount enti bi no nyenya bi enti ebi so bai e ye no no wo mo hope say wo mo so benya bi hope our hope was on men ye kura ye hope say nyame o ye nimu say nyame ye dia ye papa no nya say ye hope. Now, we don't hope say nyame beye. No, wa ye everything that do not have to base on hope, it is done already. I want to encourage you, brothers and sisters. At the pepe biara nyankopon pese ye bia no, wa ye so we don't hope. You don't hope say you be call heaven. No, the heaven is for you and I, and therefore we got to work on it. Brother, and see about near heaven. We are not hoping to go to heaven, but heaven is for us. It's our home. Me pesa me call Ghana. Na me hope say benya sika call Ghana. Say me ntimi call da o because me hope enti no me ni adwuma papa bia me ye meden betimi akọ Ghana. Meden en betimi akọ Ghana. Edru baby me se me de me call nyina ekọ ye ko tena ho be wan hia no bia ahunu se ye fi Africa ho ba na wo bobra no obo ni ye tinkola ko ba ye no obi atumi wie ne university we stayed there for 2 years so wa bibi ansa ya bibi nye wasidan enkrofo na timu no motetegum ene wo ne gum wo wasidan wo sam fifira akosidan enso nkola na wo sidan no wo bom din sidan ko mo nkodan ne muda. You are making a big mistake. I want you to know, say, me hope, say, a sister Asumasi, or Baba Baye Christoni. I don't hope, say, Sister Asumasi, Baba. Sister Asumasi, you hear the word of God and know, say, as a so ye Christoni, because ne chino no. We don't hope for people to think, oh, you better call heaven, and you hope. No, you don't hope. But it's already there. It's already there. So we